In this video, I'm going to show you how to recover accidentally deleted messages on your iPhone. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up your Messages application and then let me show you how to delete a conversation. So just swipe to the left and hit a trash icon, then tap on delete or hold down on conversation and there select delete and confirm deletion. And let's say I have just deleted that messages accidentally and I want to restore them. And all I have to do in that case is tap right there on filters to go here and there tap at recently deleted. Here I can find all my recently deleted because conversations that you deleted saves here for 30 days. Here you can find the exact counter of days remain until this conversation will be permanently deleted. And now you can checkmark that conversation and here tap on recover to recover that conversation. Also, from here you can recover multiple conversations at once, just checkmark them all and hit on recover and then confirm it. That's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.